Right, YouTube viewers, it's your boy again here, Zulu Boy Mechanic, with another job. So customers complaining that they hear some clanking noise as they drive, and I did drive this car as well myself around the block here, and I noticed there was some loud banging or clanking noise, possible like metal to metal. So I have the car up here on my hoist and I'm just taking a look. So I will show you what I found and it might help you. Normally on these cars, the first suspicion when you hear some clanking noise, when you go on like potholes or just speed bumps, it will be like, swiper links. That's the first thing that usually go, or that's common to go. But I mean, these linkages, I checked them, there's no problem on them. They're all tight, nice, still some grease in there, no issue. While the car was on the floor, I did check the lower ball joint and I noticed there was no issue. But here's my problem right here. This lower control arm, this inner bushing here, it's separated. So this is actually causing the noise as this guy is driving over some bumps, potholes. This is banging right here on the subframe, both lower and upper portion. Same with this side. So the noise is pretty much coming both from the same side. If you can see right there, the control arm right here is touching part of the frame right there. It's resting on the frame. I hope you can see that. I'm just going to put my pry here and lift it up for you so you can see the separation. See that movement? See, it's completely separated. So that's the issue. And to fix this, save the customer some money, instead of pushing that bushing out or pressing it out, all you do is just change the entire control arm. There's two bolts here, one right there, and then you just drop the lower ball joint. Just take off the pinch bolt there, and then just drop this arm and replace with a new part. You don't have to go for alignment for this one. It's just pretty much straightforward. So I will go ahead and replace both of these, and hopefully the noise goes away and the customer is happy. So once again, thank you so much for checking my videos, and may God bless you.